Hi, good afternoon. So next theorem we discussed about Laplace transform of nth derivative. Already in previous class we have to discuss some theorems of first order, second order, so on up to nth order. Now, so it's one is very important theorem. So to solving this theorem, there are two methods. I will show easy method. So first write what you have to prove. Laplace of t raised to n of f of t is equal to something. It is this. To prove this by using MI, mathematical induction. So mathematical induction you have to study in PUC first year, right? So what you have to prove in series is, so for n is equal to 1, you have to prove P of 1 is true. So for n is equal to m, case 2, you have to prove next one for n is equal to m plus 1. Means it shows that lastly case 3, n in terms of you have to prove m plus 1, that completes the theorem, right? So easy way, case 1, for n is equal to 1 in equation 1. Put n is equal to 1 in equation 1, what happens? Laplace of t into f of t, right? So that equal to minus 1 into d by dx into f of s, right? So Laplace of t into f of t, so that equal to minus, differentiate with respect to function, it is f dash of s. It shows that in previous class you have to prove, hence therefore p of 1 is true. So case 2, for n is equal to m in equation 1, right? So Laplace of t raised to m into f of t minus 1 raised to m into d raised to m divided by ds raised to m into f of s, isn't it? So lastly you have to prove case 3, n in terms of m plus 1. I want to prove m in terms of m plus 1. So it is already m is there. So I want to write another m plus 1. So differentiate with respect to, so before differentiation, Laplace of t raised to m into f of t, I can write, it's the definition of Laplace. So what is the definition of Laplace? So I want to write like this. So right, so I apply definition of Laplace 0 to infinity e raised to minus of st into f of t. So it is dt, that equal to minus 1 raised to m into d raised to m divided by ds raised to m into f of s, right? So apply differentiate with respect to s on both sides, we get 0 to infinity dou by dou s into e raised to minus of st into f of t into dt, so minus 1 raised to m into d by dt, sorry ds into d raised to m divided by ds raised to m into function, it is f of s, right? So differentiate with respect to s, it is minus t is a constant, differentiation of constant minus t into e raised to minus of st into f of t. So it is dt minus 1 raised to m into d raised to m plus 1 divided by ds raised to m plus 1, right, into f of s, right? So multiply minus on both sides, t into, so sorry, it is t raised to m function. So I can write t raised to m into f of t. So it is t raised to m, that derivative is, so into t raised to m into f of t, so into dt, so that equal to, so here t into t raised to m is t raised to m plus 1, multiply minus on both sides, we get 0 to infinity, so e raised to minus of st into t raised to m plus 1, right, into f of t function into dt, that equal to minus, multiplying minus on both sides, it is plus, minus in minus 1 into minus 1 raised to m is minus 1 raised to m plus 1, so into d raised to m is d raised to m plus 1 already is there. So into d raised to m plus 1 divided by ds raised to m plus 1 into function, it is f of s, right? So it is exactly definition of Laplace. So I want to write like this. So Laplace of t raised to m plus 1, right, into function f of t. So it shows that, so by using mathematical induction n in terms of m plus 1, so hence the proof, right? Thank you.